7 Keto Meal Delivery Services that make low-carb dieting so much easier. Once you try one of these services, you won't know how you ever went keto without it. The keto diet boasts plenty of perks, from weight loss to improved cognitive function. But unfortunately, simplicity isn't one of them. The high-fat, low-carb regimen is notoriously restrictive, which can make it hard to be creative in the kitchen and adapt regular recipes into keto-friendly versions. To ease this constant struggle every keto dieter faces, meal delivery services have started offering an enormous range of ready-to-eat keto meals and foods delivered right to your door. Here are 7 keto meal delivery services that will change the way you do low-carb. Keto Fridge. Not only does Keto Fridge deliver low-carb, ready-to-heat and eat meals to your doorstep, but it also has its very own bakery, so you can order keto-approved scones, biscuits, and more. The best part is, there's no requirement to sign up with a subscription. Simply order at least $69 worth of food at a time, and place your order by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday for your food to be delivered the following Tuesday or Wednesday. The menu changes each week and prices vary, but each meal typically runs $9 to $18. Kettlebell Kitchen. Do you consider the gym your second home? If you're a keto dieter who has to throw extra carbs on her plate to meet her energy needs, Kettlebell Kitchen is the meal service for you. There's an athlete version of each dish, which packs added carbs without overdoing it. The meals are ready to eat, and the menu changes each week. Order deadlines vary based on your location. Just enter your zip code into the website to find out. For most areas, the service offers a beginning of the week delivery, Sunday or Monday, as well as a midweek delivery, Wednesday or Thursday. Related, the keto diet is super hard. These 3 variations are much easier to follow. Green Chef. So you love to cook, but you avoid the grocery store at all costs. Green Chef gets that, which is why this service will deliver organic ingredients for you to cook low-carb meals at home, and each meal can be made in just 30 minutes, the company says. There are different plans you can choose from, such as 2-person or family, and each usually costs around $13 a pop. Once you order, you pick the day of the week you want your box delivered. Ketoned Bodies. If saving the planet is your priority, Ketoned Bodies is the way to go. This service prides itself on delivering only grass-fed, organic, and sustainable meals. Have good allergies or sensitivities? No gluten, added sugar, or preservatives of any kind can be found in these meals. To make ordering easier, the company offers a range of packages you can sign up for. If you just want to try it out, you can also order by the meal, about $15 each. Your microwave-ready order should arrive about 2 days after you place it. Factor 75. Factor 75's main draw is that the meals contain grass-fed meats with no hormones, GMOs, or antibiotics. This service caters to a variety of diets, and keto-friendly options abound. They're marked on the menu with a K at the bottom. To get started, select from several packages, starting at 4 meals per week for $60 and going up to 18 meals per week for $198. The menu changes each week, and you can choose every meal or let the company do it for you based on your preferences. Meals are delivered fresh instead of frozen, but they're fully cooked and ready to be reheated. Related, the 6 biggest keto diet mistakes. Tara's Kitchen. Sick of having to deal with that massive cardboard box your meals are delivered in? Tara's Kitchen has solved that problem. Food you order from this service arrives in a reusable, climate-controlled container with built-in insulation. The best part, someone will pick the empty box up the next day if you just set it on your doorstep. All ingredients come pre-chopped, and the company claims every recipe can be made in 30 minutes or less. You can choose exactly what recipes you want in each delivery, with plans starting at $72 per week. True Fare. True Fare has options for many different diets, but it also has a plan specifically for keto dieters. The company uses only grass-fed beef, free-range turkey and chicken, heritage breed pork, and organic vegetables. Meals are delivered frozen, and all you have to do is heat and eat. There are several plans to choose from when signing up, and you can even select only breakfast if the first meal of the day is all you really want. True Fare also gives you the luxury of making a one-time meal purchase if you're not looking for commitment, and the menu changes every week.